How to make money on Freelancer as a Shopify developer. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, freelancer.com is a platform where you can create your own profile in order to showcase your skills to the business owners or the visitors of this platform. So for example, if I was a business owner coming to this platform to find a Shopify developer, I will just go to hire freelancers and go by skill and find the developer I'm searching for. We have here Shopify web designers, and for the developers, you don't have any in here, so just search with Shopify web designers, just to show you an example of what you're going to learn in today's video. So here, as you can see, hire expert Shopify template designers for any job, and by scrolling down you will be able to see all of their profiles. And in today's video guys, I'm going to show you how you can create your profile as well, like those people. It's where you're going to showcase your skills to the visitors of this platform. So for example, let's check this man's profile to show you what you're going to learn in today's video. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can verify all of these verifications and how to enter your skills, how to enter your description. Like this one, it's where you're going to talk about your skill, what you offer, and those sort of things. Also in the profile, I'm going to show you how you can add your hourly rate, where are you from, and here I'm going to show you how to add your portfolio as well, because the portfolio is very important, because clients will hire you based on your work. So it's very important to see your work before hiring you. And in the profile as well, you can see the reviews of the freelancer, how much he's got paid in his last projects, the ratings and everything about his work, how are people talking about him, and those kind of stuff. So let's go back guys to the main page to show you how you can start creating your profile. So here, let's go back to Freelancer. Click on Earn Money Freelancing. And then make sure to fill the usual information, your first name, last name, email, and password. Then click on Join Freelancer. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to proceed with my username and password. Then click on Login. And then give it a few seconds to redirect you to your dashboard. And here, this is your dashboard, as you can see. And in your top right, you will be able to see your account and the settings in your account. You can view your profile, your membership, your account analytics, your bid insights as well, your settings, and for the finances, you can also check your balance. You can add funds, withdraw funds, you can see your transaction history and your financial dashboard and your payment sharing. And if you've encountered any problem, you can go to support, and you can invite friends as well. They will provide you with your own custom link where you will be able to invite your friends. And if you want to log out from the profile, you can do that as well. So let's go up. Let's go to view our profile. We still need to make a lot of adjustments to our profile. And as you can see, it's very empty. 0 reviews, 0 amount earned, 0% likeliness to accept a project, 0 jobs completed. We have 0 in everything. So let's start with editing our profile. And here you will need first to verify your email in order to edit your profile. After verifying your email, make sure to add a profile picture. It's very important, because there is no client that will work with a freelancer who doesn't even have a profile picture. So make sure to add it. Same thing with the cover photo as well. It's very helpful. After that, you proceed to the verifications and make sure to have all of them in check. They are very helpful with trust and credibility with your clients. So here, join the elite group of the best freelancers and verify your identity through a government issued ID check and a proof of address. Verify your payment method as well. Same thing with your phone, email, we've talked about it before. And if you have a Facebook account, make sure to connect it to the platform. And after you're done with the verifications, then you proceed to enter in your hourly rate, then enter your professional headline, and then you come to the summary. As I said in the beginning, the summary is just like the description. It's where you're going to describe yourself, how many years of experience you have, where did you learn this skill, what are all of the skills that you can offer, the offers that you do, and those sort of things. Then you proceed to enter in your skills. So here, let's enter your skills. As you can see, you can enter up to 20 skills. So let's remove these ones and let's enter our skill, Shopify Developer. We have Shopify Development. And we have Shopify templates and Shopify as a whole. Then click on save to save those changes. After that, you proceed to drop in your portfolio. As I said in the beginning, people or clients like to check their portfolio first before hiring the freelancer. So make sure to drop here the best work you've done so far. Then you proceed to enter in to add your experience, your education, your qualifications, and your publication as well. All of those things help build more trust and more credibility in your profile. After making all of these adjustments, then it's time to make some money. So let's go to browse, click on projects, and here scroll down to search skills and enter your skill to see all of the available jobs that require your skill, Shopify development. And here you will be able to see all of the posted jobs that are looking for someone with your skills. You can check the job, check the description, see how much they're paying per hour, and if the job fits your requirements, you can apply for it and see if they will accept you. And that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below. And see you in the next video.